So, I don't know what is your solution, but the solution, if you want to find one, is to rebuild everything. Absolutely.
Is the what, sorry?
To rebuild everything.
Rebuild everything.
Yeah. This is not what we ordered, has not been made in the way that we ordered, and as you know, there are several ongoing situations. You came to fix something and you actually caused more damage, which you know, as we are exchanging some emails and things, that everything has been recorded. So when they came from the first time and you came after, you admit that it was possible, even if the people said that was not possible to put the doors, as you know the doors were not here, you admit that it was possible to put the doors. And then they put the doors and made this disaster. This is different example. Or when you fit the original tap that was wrong fitted somehow, I don't know, it broke. Your son or somebody, I don't know if it's son, okay, I'm going to call them son, maybe they know. Your son came, changed it, and broke the leg. And he needed to send the plumber after.
Okay. I know all this information.
No.
I already know this information.
So,
Mr. Sorzano, I already know this information.
Excuse me.
So what
I didn't finish.
What I would like to do, yes, but I already know this information. There's
No,
no
you
need
don't
to
know.
repeat.
You
I
don't
do.
know.
You
No,
told
you
me. You told me.
You don't. And
Tell me what.
Because that's why I am so scared about dealing with you. That's new.
Yes. That's brand new.
Yeah, okay. And you can see that.
Yes.
Okay.
What's happened?
I'll tell you what's happened. Water damage.
Water.
Look on the front of the door.
And look at your door, it's soaking wet.
Water damage.
That's water. Look, look,
There's
it's
water on
wet.
the floor. There's literally
Look,
water on
shake
the
my
floor.
hand.
Yes, and
wet.
It's soaking wet, like, look at that.
You created
You're blaming
that.
us for that.
it's my fault.
Yes.
Whose else fault?
You can't. It's a kitchen. You can't have water
everywhere.
everywhere.
Water all over here.
Look at this.
Water everywhere, man.
This is why we did this for you, because originally this was all wet. And
Yeah, we were worried about water damage.
look, that's what that is. It's water damage. It's physically up. I've got that on film, mate.
Yeah.
Look, it's soaking wet.
Yes.
And I wiped the door when I came in with my fingers. That was soaking wet as well.
Stinking.
Okay.
And
So shall we move on?
so
So what do
you
you
say
want us
that
to
that
do?
will not last even 2 minutes
Well,
if they go wet.
You
can't put
can't
water on
get
wood.
water on wood.
It expands.
So
All these
you are
items are like a
you're
wood
telling
base.
me you're telling me, or I am understanding that the way that who I don't know who make these things now are different and apparently rubbish than the way that has been made before.
No, we're talking about this cabinet. This cabinet is made exactly the way that it's always been made. I assume we didn't make it,
Yeah, I
but
know
someone's made it. But if you get water into cabinets like
that. The
this,
way that we work,
then it will damage
the
it.
way that we work didn't change since we moved to this house. So if water here, yes, all the time,
That's why you had water damage there before.
but there,
You
okay, let's assume that there was water there. The problem is the old one wasn't like that.
Well,
For
how was
years
that?
and
Who
years
put the
and
water
years.
on there then? We didn't.
You're missing the point.
No, you were missing the point.
No, I am telling you that the furniture that was here before,
Yeah.
it was wet
Right.
and no damage.
Well, I don't know why.
Exactly. So now the new one, which is less than a month,
Hmm?
is already damaged.
Well, it's wet. That's why.
The other one was wet too.
Yeah, but this one, you can see
You can't
clearly
get
So-
that that
yeah,
was.
wood.
Exactly.
I'm
So
sorry, I
the
can't-
old one were
Nothing
better.
we can
I
do
don't
about that,
know.
like, that's
I
your
don't
problem,
know.
not ours, like.
I've
'Cause
never-
every other kitchen we fitted, we've never had that problem.
No, you know, you have to look after the kitchen.
So,
You know, when did this happen?
I don't know.
Well, it wasn't like you've never mentioned this before.
Because I just see it.
Oh,
I just saw it.
fair enough. Okay, well that's coming off anyway. You have a new worktop there.
Yeah, but the point is how long it's going to last.
I don't
depends
know
how
what's
long you look
happened
after
there.
it. If you look after it, it'll last a lifetime.
Mm.
We've got customers from 25 years ago that I go back to when their kitchens are in tip-top shape. It's just a coincidence that yours is bad, is it?